Hi guys! Good morning. So we will start a new chapter today about electricity, okay? I hope you have your student book and your workbook with you, okay? So first we have to study about vocabularies that we are going to encounter in this chapter, okay? So let's go to the vocabulary. So here are the vocabulary words that you have to be familiar. First, we have components, okay, components, and then connecting wire, bulb, electric circuit, complete circuit, incomplete circuit, closed circuit, and open circuit, okay? So just be familiar with these words so that when we go on to our lesson, you can know what we're talking about, okay? So let's go back to our lesson, okay? So our lesson is about electricity, okay? You're very familiar with electricity. We use it every day in our lives, okay? So let's start for our objectives, okay? Our objectives for this chapter, there are 5, but for today we're going to focus on the 2 objectives, okay? We have to identify components of an electric circuit and draw a circuit diagram using symbols to represent its components. So for today, we're going to focus on the symbols and how to draw an electric circuit, okay? A diagram of an electric circuit. So how do we make an electric circuit or electrical circuit in your book, okay? So we have to understand first that all electrical appliances such as computers, televisions, refrigerators, they need electricity to work, okay? So what is electricity? Okay, electricity is the flow of negatively charged particles, okay? Electricity passes through an electrical circuit in an electrical appliance to make it work. So if you run out of the source of electricity, those appliances, those gadgets that you use won't work, okay? That's why you have to charge your phone, right? Because you have to put the source of electricity, okay? So we focus only on simple electrical circuits, okay? So a simple electrical circuit is made up of a battery, electrical wires, and light bulbs, okay? A battery, electrical wires, and light bulbs, okay? So these are the components of an electrical circuit, okay? So what is a battery, okay? So a battery provides electrical energy. This is the source of the electricity, okay? And if you have noticed, or if you're gonna look at batteries, it has negative end and positive end, okay? You will see symbols, okay? A positive sign and a negative sign on it. And electricity flows from negatively charged particles from the negative end of the battery to the positive end, okay? Later I'm going to show you a diagram of the battery, okay? Next is electrical wires, okay? We use electrical wires to connect components of an electric circuit, okay? So they are usually made up of metal, okay? Also later I'm going to show you, okay? So it connects for example, the battery to the bulb, okay? So the connecting wires or the electrical wires connect the different components. And the last one, important part or component of an electrical circuit are light bulbs, okay? Simple electrical circuits. Other appliances do not have light bulbs, but for today we're going to focus on electric circuits, okay? Simple electrical circuit. So what is a light bulb, okay? A light bulb gives off light and heat when electricity flows through it. Okay, so here is the diagram or a picture, okay? So this is the battery. You see there's a positive sign here and a negative sign here, okay? So this is the positive end and the negative end. So, and these are the connecting wires or electrical wires, okay? And they connect the battery to the light bulb. Okay, so the light bulb gives out light or gives up light when electricity flows through it, okay, or heat as well, okay. So this one is about the switch, okay. It's not very important in making an electrical circuit, but it completes or make an electrical circuit, okay, because uh, in this one you can choose to open or close an electrical circuit. So this one is an open electrical circuit or open circuit because it means that the electricity cannot flow through here, okay. So from the battery source, it will go to the connecting wire or electrical wire, but then it cannot go through the other end because this is an open switch. Okay, and this is a closed circuit. So you see the difference? So from here, from the battery source, the electricity can flow through here, okay? So you see switch, they can make or break your electric circuit, okay? It can make it complete or incomplete. Okay, so these are the symbols I told you. We're going to study about symbols, okay? So this is the symbol of a battery. Okay, you have parallel lines. One is longer and one is short. Okay, this one, this one and this one. So the positive terminal is the longer line. Okay, the longer line represents the positive terminal, and the shorter line represents the negative terminal. Okay, so if you're gonna draw an electric circuit, a diagram, this is how you draw a battery. Next, we have the bulb. So this is the symbol of a bulb. Okay, so but different books have different diagrams for bulbs, okay, but this is the most common. Later, I will show you another diagram or a symbol for the bulb. So it's just a circle with a cross in the middle or an X in the middle, okay? And then connecting wire or electrical wires is just a straight line, okay? And then the switch, okay? So the switch is made up of these two dots here, and it represents, if it's up like this, it means it's an open switch. But when this line touches the other circle here, then it is a closed circuit. Okay, so here is a diagram of an electrical circuit. Okay, so this, you have two batteries. Okay, so the two batteries you draw here. Okay, and then you have the connecting wires, right? And remember, when you draw an electric circuit, it should be right angle, okay? Don't make it round. Okay, so when you draw an electric circuit, it should be like on a right angle here, okay? And then you draw the bulb and then the switch, okay? If it's open, then you open it. Okay? So let me show you the other, this is what you're going to do in your student book. But before this, let me show you the other symbol that I'm talking about. Okay. So here. See here? So here is a table showing the component, its picture, and its symbol and its use. Okay, so if you're gonna observe here, the bulb, the symbol is different. You see here? It's different from the one that is in your textbook. But if you see this in other books, it's also correct. Okay, so this is the symbol of a bulb too, okay? And here, see what I'm telling you, switch can be open or closed, okay? So this one is a symbol of an open switch, and this is a symbol of a closed switch, okay? So another thing I want to show you is complete and incomplete circuits, okay? They are actually the same with closed circuit and incomplete circuits, okay? So in other books, they call it complete and incomplete circuits, okay? So here, when the circuit is complete, it means that the bulb lights up because the switch is closed. Okay, so the electricity can flow through it and the bulb will light up. So it's a complete circuit, okay? And then incomplete circuit, even if it has all the components, okay, even if it has all the components the same, but the bulb does not light up, maybe the switch is open or there's something wrong, it's called an incomplete circuit when the bulb does not light up. Okay, so I hope you understand our lesson for today. So what you're going to answer is in your student book, page 48, okay? So you answer your student book, page 48, it's here. Okay, so you're going to match components of an electric circuit to its use and draw a closed circuit diagram, okay? When you draw a closed circuit diagram, make sure that the switch is closed, okay? And you can use how many batteries or how many bulbs, it's okay. Just draw a closed circuit diagram, okay? And then you have to answer your workbook also, your workbook on page 30. It's gonna be easy. You just identify what electrical component is the symbol showing, okay? It's here. Okay, I hope you enjoy your vacation. Good day, bye.